Apart from the curses, we were stoned with stones and broken bottles. All in the interest of providing security for you. During the period we were there, did any single person say that the police have shot him? Only yesterday night, when we do not know of what was happening, somebody has been picked and is right now in the police mortuary.
Police hospital mortuary.
So for me, I'm telling you that you, the elders here, you have failed your people.
It
is a shame to all of you. The Regional Security Committee, led by the Honorable Regional Minister, we have done our best to protect you. We have no interest in who is the chief of TESHIE or who is the HOMOWO of TESHIE. Our interest is peace and security.